Jalalabad State University, named after Bekmambeto's mother. Jalalabad College. Discipline: Theoretical Phonetics. Teacher: Abdekanova Guljan Kubanычbekovna. Students: Azimova Zakhrov, Group ATK 219. Our theme is Introduction to Phonetic Transcription. Preliminaries: Introduction, Class Rules, Register, Overview of Course, Assessment. What is phonetics? Phonetics is the study of speech sounds, how they are produced in the vocal tract, articulatory phonetics, their physical properties, acoustic phonetics, and how they are perceived, auditory phonetics, language fields. Phonetics is the study of the production, perception, and analysis of speech sounds. Kuiper and Scott Allen, 1996. Branches of phonetics. Acoustic phonetics is the study of the transmission of the physical properties of speech sounds, such as intensity, frequency, and duration. It has to rely heavily on the use of sophisticated instruments that perform analysis of sound vibration. A spectrograph is used. Auditory phonetics is the study of the perception of speech sounds. Articulatory phonetics is the study of the production of speech sounds. It involves the study of how phones are produced by speakers and the description and classification of those sounds according to their properties. Production of speech sounds. The production of speech sounds involves many articulators, upper and lower lips. These are used in the production of labial sounds, upper and lower teeth. Speech organs. The roof of the mouth. If you run the tip of your tongue backwards from your upper front teeth, you should feel the alveolar ridge, a hump directly behind the teeth. The hard palate. Running your tongue tip back from the alveolar ridge, you should feel a bony structure, which may rise upwards steeply before it levels out. This is the hard palate. The tongue. This is a complex muscle whose flexibility allows it to be moved into a number of different positions and shapes. Tip or point. Blades. This lies below the alveolar ridge. Front. This is the middle section which lies below the hard palate. The vocal cords are located inside the larynx, just below the Adam's apple. The pharynx. This is the part of the oral tract above the larynx behind the uvula. It is commonly known as the throat. The glottis. This is the space between the vocal folds. The velum. The soft palate or velum and uvula. As you continue to run your tongue tip along the hard palate, you should detect a change from the bony hard palate to the soft velum which ends in the uvula. The velum is a muscle which can be raised against the back wall of the pharynx to create an airtight seal between oral and nasal cavities. Thanks for your attention.